Hello everyone, my name is Rameshwar Narayan Balerao and today's our topic is sorting. Today date is 19 August 2021 and today's topic is sorting. Sorting is a process of arranging the element of the array so that we can be placed either the ascending order and descending order is called as a sorting. For example, the array contain the randomly 5, 6, 1, 2, 8, 9. Then the array called the ascending order, arranging using the sorting techniques, different sorting techniques of the arrange is the 1, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9. Okay, then sorting algorithm. There are many techniques are using the sorting. The first is a bubble sort, second is a bucket sort, third is a combo sort, uh, fourth is a counting sort, fifth is a heap sort, seven is a six is a insertion sort, seven is a merge sort, eight is a quick sort, 9 is a Reddick sort, 10 is a selection sort, and 11th is a cell sort. Um Firstly, we discuss the bubble sort. Bubble sort is a simple sort method which perform the repeatedly moving the large element to the highest index. Means the we can compare the element nearest element. If the element is smaller, element is greater, first element is greater, then the element swap simultaneously, and the largest largest store the at the largest index. It 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 comprises the element at the ascending order and replace them accordingly. Means the in the bubble sort the largest element are store the largest index position of a array at in one iteration of a outer for loop, completion of a outer for loop. Means their second their second iteration, or second for loop, we can decrease the length of the for loop, uh, for loop uh, with a minus I. Means the because the largest element of the array are largest element of the array are stored in a last index position, and of iteration complete the iteration of I, means the outer loop. Then there is no need to perform the iteration of for inner for loop. In this technique, we reduce the our program. Then next is a insertion sort. As the name suggestion, insertion sort insert the element of the array to its proper place. Means the it's very simple sort method which is used arrange the deck of a card. Means the in a insertion sort we can insert the element at their own specified index position of the array. In the insertion sort, there are the insertion sort is a very smartest way of sorting techniques, because the very less number of iteration are performed in a iteration, and very less swapping are performed in a insertion sort. Then next is the selection sort. Selection sort find the smallest element in the array and place at the first place. means uh, smallest element are stored the first place, and because of there we can perform the inner loop with the outer loop plus one index position, outer loop index position plus one position of a inner loop. Then find the second smallest element at the array at a, and place on the second place. This process continues until all elements are moved their correct ordering is called as a selection sort. Uh, this is all about the sorting. Thank you.